Good Match offers you a new way to communicate and meet new people in a different way. In your first good contact with another gooder, you will initially have 20 minutes to share, although you can always adapt it to what you need. Don't forget to agree on this from the start and divide that time as evenly as possible so that both of you have your space. When it's your time, try to be clear, direct, and sincere. Feel free to express what you would like to share or what you would like to talk about. Everything is valid in Good Match, chatting about everything and anything, letting off steam about how your day went, sharing a doubt that comes up, laughing about something that happened to you, crying at a bad time, or simply sharing something about a movie or the last soccer match. When the other one is speaking, listen carefully and forget about yourself. It's a relief to be able to really listen to the other person and leave your problems at the door. Be empathetic and welcoming. Put yourself in the other person's shoes and avoid judging them. Their life is likely to be different from yours. It's like we all wear glasses with different lenses. Each of us would see the world differently, and there's no right or wrong. It's just what we see. In Good Match, we encourage you to look at the world through the other person's glasses. Don't feel that you have to be a savior and resist giving advice. Most of us, when we talk, prefer to find our own solutions. Has it ever happened to you that you start to talk about something and the other one insists on solving it when all you need is to share it and put it into words? Interrupt only when necessary. When we interrupt, it seems that we are saying what I have to say is much more important than what you have to say. Respect the silences. Don't be overwhelmed and let them happen. They are necessary. Silences give people time to think and find the most accurate words, and they are also very useful when we are nervous or tense and we need the emotions to calm down in order to behave in a more rational way. Ask questions. When you ask questions, you are saying to the other person, I'm interested in what you're telling me. Listen with openness, even if it's different from your point of view. Don't interrupt and try to impose your opinion. You can raise doubts that help you understand the other person's point of view. Always do it with curiosity and interest, not questioning or attacking. Respond to that person's emotions and not to the person's words. You will help them. Many times we feel so many things at the same time that it is difficult to know what is happening to us. Discovering it helps us be able to do something with it. Have you ever cried out of anger? By sharing, the other person can respond, I feel that you are disappointed, which gives us the opportunity to unmask the hidden emotion. And of course, avoid the typical mistakes we all make. Not letting that person express their emotions because we are uncomfortable and we want them to come out of it. Oh, don't cry, come on, let's laugh. Downplay the importance of what they are telling us. Don't worry, it's not that big of a deal. Forcing that person to talk or share something they don't want to express. Come on, tell me. If you don't tell me, I can't help you. Offer to be there when they are ready to share and give them the time they need. Don't have a condescending or compassionate attitude. Don't treat the other person as a fragile and vulnerable victim. Poor thing, what have you suffered with? Avoid finishing the other person's sentences, because by giving them the answer, you close the opportunity for them to find the words they need by themselves. Sometimes we anticipate believing we know what the other person wants to say, and when they are silent or stuck or in doubt, we enter victoriously with our deduction. Let's respect their space and their time, and thus we will really help them. And remember, Good Match is not an app for flirting. It's not an app for psychological therapy. It's not an app to ask for things. And it's not an app to give or receive advice either. You don't have to save anyone. In short, Good Match is an app to accompany each other with love, curiosity, and generosity. By doing this, we will all help each other to relate in this new way. A space where we can show ourselves as we are and as we need at every moment. Good Match. Enter the space where you can be.